Hello, in this presentation I will explain how can you solve question like this by using completing square method. So let us start. If you want to use completing square method, then there must be coefficient 1 to the term which has power 2. So this has power 2, so there must be coefficient 1. Now here we have 2, so I will remove that first. So I will divide it by 2, divide it by 2, divide it by 2, even I will divide this by 2. And this will be x square because 2 cancelled. This will be minus 2 times 2 4, and this will be minus 1 is equals to 0, and here I have x. Now next step is very important and very easy. What you need to do, you need to copy first two terms. So I copied x square and minus 2x. Now you need to do half of the coefficient of middle term. Middle term, it means term with x. So here what is half of 2? Half of 2 is 1. I need to add that 1 and subtract that 1. Then I need to copy this minus 1 is equals to 0. So in this term you can see I added 1 and I subtracted. That means this is the same thing as this one, isn't it? I just added 1 and subtracted 1. So basically it will become 0. It has no effect. But it will help us to solve. How? Here you can see, if you see these three terms, I can say that is x plus 1 whole square. If you expand this by using this identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square, you will get this, isn't it? So I can write first three terms in this form, x plus 1 whole square. After that what I have? Minus 2 is equals to 0. Now I will copy the first thing, x plus 1 whole square, minus, here I will say root 2 square. I want this in the form of square. So root 2 times root 2 is root 4 and square root of 4 is 2. So this is basically 2 only, but I wrote that in different form. And now if I say this is a, this is b, then I can say this is a square minus b square, and I can use the identity a minus b, a plus b, isn't it? What I will do, I will use this identity and solve this further. X plus 1 minus root 2 is equals to 0, and x plus 1 time minus and 1 time plus. So here plus root 2 is equals to 0. Now if I solve this further, this will be x plus 1 is equals to root 2. And now I will take plus 1 another side. So x is equals to root 2 minus 1. And if I go here, x plus 1 is equals to negative root 2 because I took root 2 here. So negative root 2. And x is equals to negative root 2 negative 1. So this is my another root, and this is how you can solve. So some students find it confusing, but I tried to explain in as easy language as possible, and I think you got this idea. You find it useful. Thanks for watching.